This healthier pecan pie tastes even better than the original, and it still has that gooey texture everyone loves. First, we're going to make our pie crust. So we're going to begin by spraying our pie pan with non-stick cooking spray. We are going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, but if you don't have any, you can use melted vegan butter, a dash of salt, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And the great thing about this pie crust is that it's gluten-free, so everyone can enjoy it. The pie crust is a bit crumbly, so we're just going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons to make the dough stick together. So now we're making our filling, and in the blender we're going to add 1 cup of milk. I'm using almond milk. Then we're adding coconut cream, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot, and if you don't have any, you can use cornstarch, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, which is going to give our pecan pie a beautiful, delicious flavor and is so much healthier than corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and totally optional 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we're going to pour the filling into our pie crust. Add all of our chopped pecans into the pie. This is so good. And you'd never guess that this pecan pie has no butter, no eggs, no refined sugar, and no corn syrup. And if you're in the mood for another cozy fall dessert, then YouTube picked the perfect video for you. Just click right here and I'll see you there, and bon appétit!